here's a quick look at ScreenCast-O-Matic. So you can go ahead and sign in and get an account, create an account, and just use your Google email address. So I've already done that piece. So this is my work one, which I haven't uploaded. I do have a personal ScreenCast-O-Matic account because I've been using it for a long time, and I do a lot of videos. This is probably my favorite quick video tool to use that's a little bit more sophisticated than Screencastify. So if I click up here, I can capture a screenshot, but I'm going to go ahead and launch the recorder so you see what that looks like. And the first time you do it, it's probably going to ask you to download it to your laptop or PC. It is a little bit different on a Chromebook, but then you'll get this screen up here and it says to open, so we're just going to go ahead and click open, and then we're going to get our little recorder tools that will pop up. And right now I have it set so I have both, so it's going to record a screen, which I'm going to click over to another tab so you can see. I could just do my webcam if I just want to present me, or I can go ahead and just skip my screen. And then you'll notice I have these little side arrows so I can change this. Right now I'm not in full present mode. If I wanted to be in full present mode and capture my whole screen, of course I would expand this. And you can check your audio here. And then if you look in these little settings, if I click that, that goes away. So if I don't see it, I want to click that. And then once I hit record, it's going to go ahead and start recording. And then I'm also going to have the option to pause that and to continue. So I do pause a lot when I'm recording if I want to switch or I'm waiting for something to upload so people don't have to wait for that. But so I'll go ahead and hit record, and you see I have a countdown. And then there's my pause and my timer. So I pause it, and then I can trash it or say I'm done. When I'm done, it's going to automatically go to where that video is, or I can go ahead and start recording again. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit done, and it says how do you want to save it? Do you want to do a quick share? Do you want to edit it? So I'm going to go ahead and hit save, and then my it's going to give me my video here so I can take a little preview. And then notice I can upload it to ScreenCast-O-Matic. I can save it as a video file. If I do this, if I save it on my laptop or PC, then I usually upload it to my drive. Or you can connect your YouTube account and save it right there. So quick way, I'm going to go ahead and upload it to ScreenCast-O-Matic. I could give it a name right here, and then just go ahead and hit publish, and it's going to put that. And then you can see I have other options here to share, but it's going to go ahead and put that into my ScreenCast-O-Matic video, so that should be popping up soon. And there you see that video is now there, and so now I can do some editing and work on here, copy and share it, look at my details, and see who can see this. So very easy to use. Give this a try.